So in today's video, we have a mystery box. This is from Juvia's place. This is the Mother's Day mystery box. This puppy was only $18. Yes, it was. So I got it. What's today? Today's Friday when I'm filming. I think I ordered it Tuesday. Either Monday or Tuesday, and it came yesterday. Like, it came pretty fast. So if you want to see what I got, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is it worth the $18? Then keep on watching. All right, really quick, I've been telling you in every video that I have a second channel called Just Anne's World. And over there, I do car vlogs, I do the walk and talks, and a bunch of other stuff. So if you want to get to know me more on a personal level and want to see like more of a vlog style channel, I'll leave it down below. Check it out, see if it's something that you're interested in. We are almost at 10K. I am so excited. I really, really love filming that channel. I really do. I don't know why, because I like to talk and I talk. I don't know, but I like it. Anywho, let's see what's in this puppy. I usually get the mystery boxes, but I have just about every palette. But I do think they're worth $18. And the reason why I do get them is to show you. That way you can see whether or not it's worth it to you or not. So they usually have almost like every month or every other month they have a mystery box, but definitely on the holidays. And for $18, you can't beat that. You know what I'm saying? All right, so let's open her up and see what's in here. I think there was like 3 things, a palette, there's usually a lipstick and something else. So let's see. All right, so when you open her up, that's what she looks like. And I already see the palette I already have, so I'll go get mine in a second. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, yeah, so there's 3 full-size items. And then what should be? What is this? Oh, okay. So this is just like, you know, telling you what's in your box and everything else like that. And I always save these boxes, you know, so that way when I do my giveaways. Oh, that reminds me. So I ordered, so Jeffree Star came out with the Banana Fetish collection. And I ordered 2 palettes, and then I ordered like the skincare bundle. That should be coming in today in the mail. Once that goes live, because I'm going to do like a get ready with me with that palette, I'm going to have a giveaway in that video. I never put it in the thumbnail or the titles, so I'll be giving a palette away. Then I know a lot of you guys don't like Jeffree Star or don't support him, so I'll have a regular giveaway as well. And this is where the palette will go in that giveaway, you know? Okay. So the first thing we have is a liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade C'est La Vie. C'est La Vie? I don't know if I'm saying that right. I just love their packaging, and the artwork is just gorgeous. Okay, so this is like a reddish color. I remember when I first got into lipstick, I would never wear red, like ever. I don't know, this must be a sample size. All right, so I love these applicators, like the big ones. That's a pretty color. That's more like a blue base red, which I like. Because orangey reds just don't look good on me. I'm too pale for that, you know? So if I'm going to wear red, I'll definitely wear this. I like wearing this type of color, like when I have no makeup on. Maybe a little mascara, and then just like lipstick. I think it looks so pretty. All right, and then we have a lip liner to go with it, which is great. And this is in the shade Ruby. And I do enjoy her lip liners, so. There we go. All right, let's see what it looks like. Wow, that's almost like spot on. That's nice. Because like today I don't have a lip liner on. And you can see it's probably all over the place. That's why I need to use lip liners, you know? So yeah, I'll definitely use this. I always tell you guys my favorite lip liners are from Gerard Cosmetics. And I do have a discount with them. It's Just Anne in all caps. You can save 30% off. But I usually do use lip liners. So I like these as well. And last but not least, this is the palette. So this is the Nubian 2 palette. So let me go get mine. I can show you what it looks like, and we could do some swatches and stuff. So I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what mine looks like. And I'll show you. So it doesn't have a mirror, but I just think the artwork is just gorgeous. And then you can see I definitely use and abuse this palette. So that's what she looks like. All right, so let's do some swatches. This is probably one of my favorite orange colors. Okay. All right, so here's just 3 mattes. And look at that. And I had this since it first came out. This has to be maybe, what, 2 years older or maybe more? And look at that. That's gorgeous. All right, let me wipe my hands off and we'll do some shimmers. Shimmers is where it's at in this palette. Okay, so I'm just going to... There we go. This is a really pretty inner corner highlight. Wow. That's only going in 1 time. Look at that. I mean, the shimmers are just perfect. I love, love, love her shimmers. And yeah, so that's what she looks like. And if you're not into color, you can get a neutral look. You know, you could use here. I mean, you don't have to use like the blue and the green. But, you know how I started? Because when I got this palette, I wasn't really into a lot of color. So I used to start using like eyeliner, like color in my waterline. Like today I have like a dark green. But I would put like blue and purple and greens and stuff. And then I start getting a little more, you know, have a little more courage. And then what I would do is put like on my get it out, Anne, on the lower eyelid. What is it called? You know, right here, down here. I would do like blues and greens and purples. You know what I mean? And then that's what got me getting used to color. So that's what I started to do. But I think it's a gorgeous palette. I really, really do. Okay, so let's recap everything that came in the mystery box. And I did do... What? And I have noticed that with the Juvias Place mystery boxes, you don't always get the same thing. I've already seen people get different palettes. Do you know what I mean? Usually you get about the same, like a lipstick, a lip liner, and a palette, but you might get different colors. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, so we have the Nubian 2 palettes. We have, I believe this is a sample size. I don't know if it's sample or full size of the red lipstick, which is gorgeous. And then we have the lip liner, the lip liner. Now, I don't think the red goes with this. In my opinion, I would use more of a nudie color, but that's a personal preference. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so for $18, I definitely think it's worth it. Like, if you don't have a lot of Juvias Places, like products and stuff, and you want to try their stuff, I say go for the mystery boxes because, you know, you're never disappointed. You know, the only thing now, like for me, I have a lot of their eyeshadows, so, but I have a YouTube channel and I enjoy giving back. Do you know what I mean? But if you don't, that's the only thing with mystery boxes. You never know what you're going to get. Do you know what I'm saying? All right, guys, that's everything. Please like this video. It really does help me out, or dislike it. That helps me out as well. Leave a comment. Let me know how your day's going. Let me know if you got this mystery box or what you think of this mystery box. Let me know if you think it's worth the $18. Don't forget, I do have that second channel, Just Anne's World. I'll leave it in my description box. Check it out. See if it's something that you'd be interested in. And yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say. Oh, make sure you have your post notification bell on. That way when the Jeffree Star palette goes live and when I have the other giveaway. There'll definitely be this month. Very, very soon. So don't forget, I don't put it in the thumbnail or title or anything like that. All right, I'm talking your ear off. I'm getting off of here. Stay beautiful. Stay blessed. Stay healthy. And most importantly, always stay you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Never fails. 3 products and I still make it a 10-minute video. I just can't help it. I like to talk. I like to talk. Oh, man.